High efficiency and superior performance with Franklin Electric vertical multi-stage pumps. These pumps are equipped with standard motors and do not require an upthrust bearing for models up to 4 kilowatts. Service and maintenance times are reduced thanks to the cartridge mechanical seal, easy to install inline ports, and replaceable floating neck ring. Vertical multi-stage pumps are suitable for drinking water applications. The pump can be combined with a DriveTech inverter to allow variable frequency control. There are different connection variants available: round flanges as standard and oval, Victaulic and Clamp-FlexiClamp flanges on request. Vertical multi-stage pumps are suitable for several applications, from domestic to industrial systems. Franklin Electric. More than motors.